Morning, I am April Lyra P. Gomez, a licensed biological science teacher from the Philippines. I have earned a bachelor's degree in science education, major in biology, with certifications in teaching senior secondary high school. I have also earned 42 units in master's in arts in science education. As a teacher, I work for the best benefit of my students and at the same time the institutions that I am involved with. I use varied instruction to teach science, incorporating educational videos, interactive websites, simulations, and I promote experiential learning where I could make science more meaningful and at the same time enjoyable. At the same time, I am a science club advisor and a laboratory custodian where I develop and implement plans to educate teachers in the use of the materials and equipments in the laboratory, trains teachers also on safety measures and procedures, creates accurate inventory of the equipments and apparatuses in the laboratory itself, and initiates to monitor certain materials that are needed. I also guide students to actually implement the activities we have for the science club. Learned about IER as I was browsing in the internet. I found out that it could help out teachers to land a job in the US by connecting them with schools and districts, assisting them with credential evaluations and certification, providing them with visa and immigration support too. They also help out in cultural orientation, with professional development, and even help secure licensure requirements. At the same time, they also assist with job contracts, relocations, and even ongoing support as teachers adjust to the new environment in the U.S. itself. I have the exceptional opportunity to share my expertise and teaching methods while gathering a first-hand look at the American educational system by taking part in the J1 Teacher Exchange program. By learning different teaching techniques, I hope to improve my professional abilities, work with diverse educators from different backgrounds, and deepen my understanding of other cultures. Furthermore, by immersing myself in a different culture, this program would enable me to grow personally, which will improve my viewpoint and teaching style as I assist my students as well in my profession.